Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Ginkgo capsules, effects and side effects. In the late 1600s, Engelbert Kaempfer was the first European to discover ginkgo. Linnaeus in 1771 named the tree as Ginkgo biloba, which translates into silver plume with two lobes. It refers as a living fossil. It is the only surviving member of an ancient order of plants. While its leaves and seeds are used in traditional Chinese medicine, modern researchers focus on ginkgo extract. These consist of leaves. Ginkgo biloba, also known as maidenhair tree, falls into the category of a popular supplement and herbal medicine extracted from the dried green leaves of the plant. It is available as liquid extracts, ginkgo capsules and tablets. Also, ginkgo contains a high level of flavonoids and terpenoids and antioxidants as well that provide protection against oxidative cell damage from harmful free radicals. Benefits of ginkgo capsules: helps fight inflammation. Ginkgo extract reduces markers of inflammation in human cells in a variety of disease states like cancer, arthritis, heart disease, etc. It also improves circulation and heart health. Ginkgo increases the ability of blood flow to various parts of the body. Also, it has protective effects on heart health, brain health, and stroke prevention. Reduces anxiety. Due to the presence of antioxidant content of ginkgo, anxiety symptoms can be reduced. 240 mg of ginkgo can treat symptoms of anxiety very well. Ginkgo capsules supports vision and eye health. Supplements of ginkgo increases the blood flow in the eyes but cannot improve the vision. Hence, it is responsible for treating glaucoma. 120 mg a day of ginkgo over a period of 8 weeks showed improvement in the vision of people with glaucoma. Memory enhancement, dementia, and Alzheimer's. Ginkgo helps people with dementia. It has many benefits like improvement in thinking and memory power, better social behavior, and better ability to perform everyday tasks. Researchers believe that ginkgo improves cognitive functions because it promotes good blood circulation in the brain and protects the brain and other parts from neurological damage. Treatment of depression. Supplements of ginkgo may help treat symptoms of depression. Ginkgo has anti-inflammatory properties which improve the body's ability to cope when stress hormones are high. Treatment of headaches and migraines. Ginkgo is a very popular medicine for headaches and migraines in traditional China. Ginkgo's ability to treat headaches depends on the root cause of the headache. As ginkgo has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, it can treat headaches caused by excessive stress. Similarly, ginkgo has the ability to dilate blood vessels, so it can treat headaches related to reduced blood flow. Reduces symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. Researchers indicate that ginkgo has the ability to treat both the physical and psychological symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. Further research is being carried out for a better understanding of the relationship between Ginkgo and PMS symptoms. Improving asthma and COPD symptoms. Researchers show that Ginkgo improves the symptoms of asthma and other inflammatory respiratory diseases like COPD. So, due to its anti-inflammatory compounds, inflammation of the airways can be reduced, resulting in the increase of the lung capacity. Treatment of sexual dysfunctions. Sexual dysfunctions like erectile dysfunction or low libido can be treated using Ginkgo. It has the ability to improve blood levels of nitric oxide, which improves the blood circulation by the dilation of blood vessels. As a result, various symptoms of sexual dysfunction can be treated by improving the blood flow to those areas of the body. Other traditional uses of Ginkgo biloba include preventing bedwetting, increasing sexual energy, soothing bladder irritation, treating intestinal worms, and treating gonorrhea. Dosage and form. Ginkgo is available in capsule form, tablets, liquid extracts, and dried leaves for tea. According to the studies, adults should consume 120 to 240 milligrams a day for 4 to 6 weeks for effective improvements. Also, children, pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with epilepsy, and taking blood thinners should not take Ginkgo biloba. Side effects of Ginkgo. The risk associated with Ginkgo is relatively low, but still there are cases in which Ginkgo could cause serious harm. Ginkgo increases the risk of internal bleeding. Individuals on anticoagulants like aspirin or taking selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors or SSRI as antidepressants should not take Ginkgo as it reduces the effectiveness of the medication. Ginkgo contains alkyl phenols, so the people allergic to it should avoid its usage. Possible side effects of Ginkgo include nausea, diarrhea, dizziness, headaches, stomach pain, allergic reactions, etc. Conclusion. Ginkgo biloba has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capacities and the ability to improve circulation. Together, these characteristics have the potential to affect numerous body systems and diseases. On the other hand, herbal supplements have certain risks and could lead to serious health complications if one is allergic or is taking certain medications. So, consultations from the doctor are advised before its consumption.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.